First, simplify the numerator. Z times Z times Z times Z times Z times Z is equal to Z to the power of 5. Next, simplify the denominator. Z plus Z plus Z plus Z plus Z plus Z is equal to 5Z. Now we can rewrite the original equation, Z to the power of 5 divided by 5, Z equals 32. Simplify the fraction by dividing Z to the power of 5 by Z. This simplifies to Z to the power of 4, all divided by 5, equals 32. Multiply both sides of the equation by 5 to get Z to the power of 4 equals 32 times 5. 32 times 5 is 160, so Z to the power of 4 equals 160. To solve for Z, take the fourth root of both sides. This gives us Z equals 160 to the power of 1/4. Using a calculator, we find that Z is approximately equal to 3.55. Therefore, Z is approximately equal to 3.55. First, simplify the numerator. A times A times A times A times A times A is equal to A to the power of 6. Next, simplify the denominator. A plus A plus A plus A plus A plus A is equal to 6A. Now we can rewrite the equation. A to the power of 6 divided by 6A equals 243. Simplify the fraction by dividing A to the power of 6 by A. This gives us A to the power of 5 divided by 6 equals 243. Multiply both sides of the equation by 6 to get A to the power of 5 equals 243 times 6. (243 times 6 is 1458, so A to the power of 5 equals 1458. To solve for A, take the fifth root of both sides. This gives us A equals 1458 to the power of 1/5. Using a calculator, we find that A is approximately equal to 4.35. Therefore, A is approximately equal to 4.35. First, simplify the numerator. X times X times X times X times X times X times X is equal to x to the power of 7. Next, simplify the denominator. X plus 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 x is equal to 7x. Now we can rewrite the original equation. X to the power of 7 divided by 7x equals 128. Simplify the fraction by dividing x to the power of 7 by x. This simplifies to x to the power of 6, all divided by 7 equals 128. Multiply both sides of the equation by 7 to get x to the power of 6 equals 128 times 7. 128 times 7 is 896, so x to the power of 6 equals 896. To solve for x, take the sixth root of both sides. This gives us x equals 896 to the power of 1/6. Using a calculator, we find that x is approximately equal to 3.10. Therefore, x is approximately equal to 3.10.